welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A striking modern container house with a vibrant orange exterior, featuring 2 stories and large glass windows that invite natural light. The lower level showcases a spacious living area visible through the expansive glass, adorned with cozy furniture and decorative plants. The upper level features a balcony with sleek black railings, hosting a couple of stylish chairs and a small table. The surrounding landscape includes well-maintained greenery, potted plants, and a wooden deck that extends from the front of the house. A coastal modernist house perched on a rocky cliff, overlooking an expansive ocean at dusk. The structure features floor-to-ceiling glass walls that reflect the warm interior light, showcasing a cozy bedroom and an inviting living space. Surrounding the house, lush greenery and colorful wildflowers populate the landscape, seamlessly integrating nature with architecture. The scene captures a serene atmosphere with soft, pastel tones of twilight, blues and purples in the sky blending with the warm, golden glow emanating from the home. A modern, elevated house with a green roof, situated on a rocky cliff surrounded by lush greenery and misty mountains. The structure features large glass walls that create a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors, showcasing a warm, inviting interior with cozy lighting emanating from within. The setting is serene and atmospheric, capturing the essence of nature's tranquility, with vibrant greenery and colorful foliage framing the scene. The color palette includes earthy tones, soft browns, and gentle greens, with warm light contrasting against the cool backdrop of the foggy mountains. Cozy, modern tiny house design set in a lush, green urban environment. The exterior features a sleek, dark metal frame with large glass panels, showcasing a seamless blend of nature and architecture. The house is surrounded by vibrant greenery, with planters and vertical gardens clinging to the walls, adding a touch of life. The wooden deck is gently illuminated with warm lights, creating an inviting atmosphere. Inside, soft, neutral colors dominate, with a comfortable bed visible through the glass. The interior has a rustic charm with wooden accents and shelves filled with plants. A modern, eco-friendly house built from shipping containers, featuring bold orange and black colors. The structure has large, floor-to-ceiling glass windows, providing a panoramic view of the lush green surroundings. The scene is set in a serene outdoor garden filled with vibrant flowers and decorative plants, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. In the foreground, playful elements like a children's swing set and colorful seating invite interaction. The lighting is warm and inviting, suggesting a late afternoon glow, creating a cozy and welcoming feel. Modern architectural masterpiece featuring a contemporary, multi-level house with a striking orange facade, overlooking a serene turquoise pool. The setting is surrounded by lush greenery and mountains in the background, creating a harmonious blend of nature and design. Large glass walls reflect natural light, enhancing the open, airy atmosphere. Emphasize a hyperrealistic style with vivid colors, capturing details of the architecture like the spacious terrace with plants and stylish outdoor furniture. Cozy modern container home interior, hyperrealistic style, showcasing an open-concept living area. Bright orange shipping container structure with large glass sliding doors, seamlessly merging indoor and outdoor spaces. Soft lighting from ceiling fixtures creates an inviting atmosphere. Comfortable orange sectional sofa adorned with patterned pillows, accompanied by a round wooden coffee table with a small potted plant. Warm wooden accents throughout, including cabinetry and flooring. Modern tropical house nestled in a lush, dense forest, characterized by floor-to-ceiling glass walls that create a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor environments. The setting features vibrant green ferns and foliage surrounding the house, adding to the tranquil atmosphere. Soft, warm ambient lighting emanates from within, highlighting wooden elements and tasteful furnishings inside. A slight morning mist envelopes the scene, enhancing the dreamlike quality while muted earth tones dominate the color palette, complemented by the rich greens of the surrounding landscape. A modern, eco-friendly two-story house nestled in a lush forest setting, with large glass walls and a sleek, black exterior that reflects the surrounding greenery. The roof is adorned with a glass atrium and vibrant garden, showcasing various plants and flowers. Warm, inviting light spills from the large windows, illuminating the interior spaces, which feature minimalist furniture and an open layout. The surrounding landscape is rich with dense foliage, moss-covered stones, and a soft, natural path leading up to the house, highlighting a harmonious blend of architecture and nature. A modern, multi-story house nestled in a lush forest, showcasing a seamless blend of architecture and nature. The structure features large glass windows framed with dark metal, allowing the warm glow from inside to illuminate the surrounding greenery. The exterior combines sleek, dark panels with warm wooden accents, creating a harmonious contrast against the deep greens of the trees and ferns. Dappled sunlight filters through the leaves, casting soft shadows on the house. The scene is captured in a hyper-realistic style, emphasizing the intricate details of the foliage and the inviting interiors. Modern tropical seaside villa, hyper-realistic style, showcasing a striking two-story design with bold red exterior walls featuring large glass panels. The scene is set against a backdrop of lush green palm trees and vibrant tropical foliage. The sandy beach extends in the foreground, dotted with smooth rocks and colorful plants. A hammock is beautifully draped between two support beams, inviting relaxation. Sunlight filters through the clouds, casting warm, natural light throughout the space, accentuating the inviting interior with minimalist furniture in warm tones of orange and earth colors.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.